Hey, it's Christy here from Adapt Ed, and I'm just taking a second to walk you through my burger joint product. And so this is a no prep digital version, and which I'm really excited about, as well as a hands-on print version that you can use. So we're going to be going over the visual order sheets as well as the print version. So if you're going to print this out, you just print out this tray, however many of these that you want to throw in your task boxes, and then these are the visual order sheets that your students will be able to use. There's 25 of them, and here are the little pieces, the printable pieces. So you can use the double cheeseburgers, the cheeseburger, the hamburgers, and the fries, the small, medium, large fries, and then the drinks. So let's get on to how you can use the visual order sheets with the no prep version. So you're just going to click and copy. I already have it open, so I'm just going to do that. And then here you are. So I'm on a laptop, so if you use Chromebooks with your students, this is what it's going to look like. And you can see the visual order sheet on the side. So all they're supposed to be doing is dragging and dropping the orders onto the tray. So for number one, it would be one hamburger, one medium fries, and 1 cup of water. So they're able to just drag and drop those on, no prep for you. So if your students have a little bit of trouble tracking this, you can simply print out the visual order sheets and they match the slide number. So order number 1 is going to go with slide number 1, if that works for your students. It depends on your students and their ability to track information. So that is an accommodation that is rather simple and really rather no prep for you still. So I'm just returning it back to normal, and I really hope you enjoy this activity. Let's talk soon.